Hello, my name is Danya Palenker, and I am Senior Counsel at the National Women's Law Center. This webinar is entitled, How Do I Get Coverage Through the Small Employer Marketplace? I will walk you through the basics of how you start comparing plans and enrolling in the Small Employer Marketplace, also known as SHOP. First, you go to the website www.healthcare.gov, where you can compare plans even before you decide to enroll. Just click on the button that says Small Businesses near the top, and that will bring you to the SHOP Marketplace site. You can decide to offer coverage any time during the year. You may be hearing over the next few weeks that individuals have to enroll by the end of March, but that's for the individual health insurance marketplace. Small business marketplaces don't have to worry about that open enrollment period. When you do go to the SHOP Marketplace, you will have the option to choose your state to make sure you get connected to the right marketplace and the right plans. You may have a state-based marketplace or a federally run marketplace, depending on the state. And the state you should choose is the state where your business is based, not the state where your employees live. Regardless of whether you are in a state with a state-based or federally run marketplace, this website will get you connected to the right place to look for coverage. State marketplaces may have their own rules about when you need to get enrollments in to have coverage start the following month. But if you are in a federally run marketplace, as long as your employee enrollments are submitted between the 1st and 15th day of the month, your coverage begins the first day of the next month. For example, if your employee enrollments are submitted on February 10th, 2014, your group coverage can begin March 1st, 2014. For enrollment submitted after the 15th of the month, coverage begins the second following month. So if employee enrollments are submitted on February 18th, your group coverage will begin on April 1st. And you need to remember to give yourself time to both look at plans, review them, as well as giving your employees enough time for them to make the decisions before you submit the enrollment. So think back through that as you work out your own timeline. Once you pick your state, you will be connected to the right place, either your state-based website, or the federally facilitated marketplace. If you have a state-based marketplace, you will be directed to a different website, which will be your state marketplace. Each state marketplace runs somewhat different, but you should have easy-to-follow directions on the website. If your state has a federally run marketplace, then you will be able to compare plans right there on healthcare.gov. So if you go to the state-based marketplace, what do you do now? First, it's important that you review plans and compare plans to see what works best for you, including pricing, networking, and other aspects that might be important both to you and your employees. Now, if you have a state-based marketplace, you can compare plans online, and when you decide to purchase plans, you can purchase the plan online through the state marketplace website. But you can also choose to work with your agent or broker, or go directly to an insurance issuer if you know that you want to just offer a plan from one issuer. Now, the federally run marketplace does not yet allow you to purchase plans online. That part should be available for enrollment in 2015. But you can still compare plans online. And then, when you decide on a plan you want to purchase, you can go to either an agent or broker or directly to the insurance issuer whose plan you want to offer and purchase plans that way. And no matter the instance, once you decide to purchase the plans, you should get information available so that you can share it with your employees and move forward with the enrollment process. Thank you for joining.